Assalamualaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Talha and you are watching Knowledge Hub. Smart homes need smart home gadget and many homes across America already use smart gadget to help manage their daily life. Big brands like Google, Amazon and Philips have already taken giant strides into this market, yet it is the small competitor who are coming up with innovative technologies that many of you may not have heard of. These are our top 5 of surprising smart home gadgets that you possibly have not heard of before. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for our latest updates. Number 1. Joop Flat Pack Shelter. A flat pack shelter is a gadget for the modern DIY traveler, a smart home away from smart home. This shelter can be taken anywhere and assembled in a few hours. It could also be used in your garden for backyard stargazing with your kids. The shelter includes a large space that could easily fit 10 suitcases and its unique geometrical shape adapts to every kind of environment. Additionally, it also features solar panels and batteries to keep you charged when remote camping. Number 2. Smart Dog Door. Everyone loves their dog, but no one enjoys waking up in the morning to let them out when nature calls. Forget traditional dog doors, which come with a litany of problems and concern, like the size of your dog. Instead, opt for a smart dog door, which allow you to control the door from your smart device. This means you can stay in bed, tap the app, and let your furry friend in and out without ever leaving the bed. Number 3. Automatic kitchen composter. With a growing risk from climate change and increasing carbon emissions, it is becoming vital to make your home carbon free. The automated kitchen composter helps you to reduce your carbon footprint. It works as a garbage bin for food waste, converting it into a nutrient dense soil perfect for growing plants. It also works with a smartphone app, allowing you to control it from anywhere. Number 4. Kohler Stillness Smart Tub Technology. When it comes to smart home bathroom technology, Kohler is cutting edge. From minor with digital displays to this stillness bath. Kohler Smart Tub Technology is an innovative technology that allows you to control your bathtub via voice, and it is not just turn bath on. It generally has advanced features that allow you to have a more indulgent personal experience. Smart features ensure the smart tub is energy efficient with flexible temperature and filling. The philosophy behind this technology is to maximize your relaxation, recovery, and performance. Number 5. The room phone booth. Privacy has become a big issue. Kids want privacy from parents, parents from kids, and so on. But it is difficult to find a place in your home where you can sit alone and talk to a friend without any being able to listen to your conversation. The room phone booth is a private room that can be installed anywhere inside the home or office. It has soundproof technology ensuring no colleagues cannot hear a thing.